Um, I'm going to go ahead and open up the test. If you want to do the same thing, and we'll get that done.
All right. All right.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Okay, you got mine ready to go. So, question 3. Taking samples of n equals 5, what was the slope? What was the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is already skewed? Alright. So what do you think about number 3?
Well, I'm reading on section 2. I don't know. It says parent population is almost normal. Then a sample size of N5 will probably be sufficient. And blah blah blah. It says if it's heavily skewed, it would require a larger sample. But then it's anything about the shape there.
Let's see.
Well, if the population was rescued, wouldn't the histogram be the same thing?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, let's use that for now. Maybe I'll find it later.
The parent population is right skewed. Because on 5 and 6 they give you the same question, but they're normal. Uh, a normal distributed setup instead of right distributed population.
Yeah, I'm not sure on those.
Right.
Hmm.
Yeah. I'm trying to look it up online here. I'm doing a Google search to see if that's enough to read here to explain everything.
Well, I think when you get a bigger sample, it's going to end up being more normal. As it says, the larger the sample, the more, what's the word I'm looking for? Let me read it again. It says if the parent population is heavily skewed, it will require a larger sample size to be sure that X will be normally distributed. So I think if we have like the N5, then that's a little sample, so it would be skewed still. But if you take the 100, it'd probably be normal.
Gotcha. That makes sense.
Okay, so you got 3 and 4, right? So we're on number 5.
Yeah. Okay. So if they're normal, number
What's that?
okay. So small would be skewed to the right, but the large population is normal. So if the normal distribution with only with only five, it's normal. But
Yeah.
with the larger group, it's I don't know if it's to the left or right.
Yeah, reading here says if the parent population is normal, then the sampling distribution will always be normally distributed no matter how many observations are selected. So I think if you only have the 5 samples, and if it's normal, then it should be normal for number 5. You think so?
Yeah, I would say it's normal. So I guess with number 6, because it's a large population, it'd still be normal even though it's normal distribution.
Yeah, I think it would be normal.
So number 7, sample size is small, I think is one of them. Sample size is large, I think is one of them.
Probably be correct too.
And I think the last one's true. Yep.
Yeah. So the only one we're not doing is right skewed with a small sample.
Yep.
Okay, I think makes sense.
Okay. Uh, best explanation of the central limit theorem. I think it's the last one. Sample size large, sample distribution means X. Will be will be approximately normal because it's a large.
Yeah,
Which
I think you're. Yeah, that's what I had written down. It's pretty close to that.
okay. Let's say X random variable for population is 2, 36, size is 36. So, what's that just mean? Population means, sample means 10?
Yeah, can you give me just a second? Andrew just sent me a message.
Okay.
I'm gonna reply to him real quick. I'm going to invite him again. I don't know if he's going to join or not. Okay, I sent him. Okay, I'm sorry, did you figure out number 9?
I think it's the mean population is the sample mean.
So, I'm sorry, what do you think it is?
I think the distribution of sample means is 10, like the population.
Let's look that up real quick. I'm not really sure on that one.
So, let's skip the number ones for a second. I went down to 11 and 12.
Okay.
Uh, 11, I think it's normal because of the large size again, like we've been talking about.
Mm-hmm.
And number 12, I think it jumps back up to what, that 1 theory, where
Yes, yeah, the
I think
central.
it's the central limit one,
Yeah,
like
I
on
think that's
alpha 8. The real question is, what's 9 and 10? Okay, so I think the population mean.
yeah means. The mean would be 10.
Okay. Then all we need to figure out is the standard deviation. Okay.
So if it's right, because you take your sample size and you minus subtract the mean, then you take that and you divide it by the standard deviation. Is that right? Or is it just going to be 6?
Um, Good question. Good question. So it means that all the possible random samples, specific size ends, population.
Okay, so to figure this out, we're gonna take the standard deviation and you divide it by the square root of whatever n is.
Okay. So 10.
Is it 10?
Well, no, I guess n's what? 36.
Yeah.
What's the square root of 36?
The square root of 6, I mean 36 is 6, and that to be divided into,
By 6. So it's 1.
yep.
It says 3 decimal places? What's that mean?
I don't know. I just read it on the one of the problems that we had that you looked at during your reading,
Yeah.
and how they did it, and that's how they did it.
That works. Do we
That-
need to put 3 zeros after the 1? 1.000? Or just put 1?
I'll read it again because I'm not sure we got it
No,
right.
that sounds right. I
Well,
was
they
looking here, square root of n. I was
they
reading the same thing.
worded differently. It says all possible samples. I don't know if that's different than what they gave us.
Yeah, because the only sample size is 36.
Yeah, I think that's right because it's
Yeah, I'm
your
just gonna
standard
put.
deviation.
I guess I'm just gonna put 1. I'm not gonna put anything after it. Just 1.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay. So I'll go ahead and submit this, and we'll find out.
Okay. I don't think we did so well on this one.
We got 100%.
Oh, we did?
Nice.
All right, well, I shall submit it. Awesome.
Good deal. Took a
Okay.
second, but after we figured out the stupid directions, it worked out.
Okay, so I'll try to talk to Andrew about just doing it on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5:30.
Yeah, that would make it easier.
Yeah.
I guess it's based a half an hour before he has to leave.
Yeah. So it should be enough time for him to do that.
Yeah. That means I'm not going to be up at 12:30 doing good old school.
Yeah.
Alrighty, sir.
All right.
Good job. I guess you'll submit the link.
Yeah. I know that the teacher wanted other students to also record these, so I don't know if you figured out how to, but he wants everyone to know how to do it.
Gotcha. Because I got on it last time where we could start recording, but didn't realize it was recording. I'm not sure how you control it to actually turn it on or off.
When it says broadcast at the bottom, like
Yeah.
broadcast live or whatever, you click that to start recording, and then you
Okay.
stop broadcast to end it.
So we can sit here and talk, then I can click it, we start it, then I turn it off, we can quit.
I think I don't know if you start it and stop it. I never paid that close attention to it.
Gotcha. Alrighty. Maybe I'll try it on Thursday. I'll play with it beforehand, just to make sure I'm aware.
Okay.
Alrighty. Thank you, sir.
All right. I'll see you later. Thanks.
Alright, bye.
Okay.